Hey, how's it going guys? My name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Facebook Audience Network ads. I'll be going through all the different options that Facebook provides in terms of advertising your brand through Facebook Audience Network and giving you examples how they look like and why you should care about Facebook Audience Network. So let's get started. The first one in my list is Facebook banner ads, and so basically banner ads are something like this. They will look like a pop-up banner that can appear at the top or at the bottom, and your ads will be displayed on any of the Facebook approved websites and apps. And the reason you should use this kind of ads is, let's say you're promoting a business or a brand, and there is an app or a website that is closely related to what your business does. Then it's a fantastic way to show your ads on those apps. A clear example can be, let's say you want to promote a local restaurant, and let's say there is an app such as Grubhub or Groupon, or a food ordering app. I think that's a great way to show your ads on those apps in the form of banner ads. So that's your first example of banner ads. The next one is interstitial ads, and again these are full screen ads, and it's a very good way to grab your users attention. And one of the things that you can think about is, let's say your end user is using a particular app, and if while using the app there is a break or there is a moment of pause where the screen loads, that's a good moment to display your ads in full screen format. And as you can see over here, this is a nice interstitial ads where there's a nice image, a short blurb, title, website, and a call to action button. So that's your interstitial ads. And again, you can show these ads in any of the apps that Facebook has approved. The next one is native ads, and again this is a great way to show your ads in certain apps, and the format and the lookalike of this ad is going to be the same as the native app. So what I mean is, the look, feel, and size of your ad is going to be the same as the app. So the user does not feel that he or she is getting to see something different. The end user will feel that it's a part of the app, and that's why there's a very high chance that your end user will take an action. So that's your native ads. The next one in my list, or in terms of audience network placement, is rewarded video. So this is a great example of rewarded video. And when it comes to rewarded video, you can display your ad in the form of video format, and basically what happens is, when your ad is watched completely, the end user gets a reward in return of watching that ad. So you can engage with quality demand, you can retain your gamers and grow your business. And I want to show you a quick example. So this is a gaming app, and while the user is playing that while that user is playing that game, a pop-up appears, and in return of watching that video, the end user is getting like points for completing that stage, or a reward. So that's how you can utilize this video ad format and use the rewarded video placement type, so that the end user gets something in return. And look at this, it shows a nice call to action button to install the app that you want to promote. So that way it's a win-win situation. The end user gets to gets something in return for installing the app or watching the ad, and you get your objective of making end users install those apps. So rewarded video is something that you should keep in mind, and place your ads in certain apps and use the video ad format so that you are able to promote your apps. And finally, we have the in-stream video. So this is how your in-stream video will look like. So when someone is watching videos on their phone or on desktop, and they click on that video, Facebook will say that an ad starting soon, and basically you are able to place your ads in between the video that the end user is watching. So they get to see the time in seconds, and as soon as your ad is completed, the original video is resumed. So that's how you can utilize this format. And this website is a great tool that you can check out to find out the different ad formats and what are the design recommendations. So that's it, guys, in terms of Facebook audience network and the different ad placement. I want to quickly show you how you can select those placements. So while you are working on your campaign, and when you're about to configure your ad set, click on the edit icon, and when you are about to choose the placement, by default Facebook will choose automatic placement. And when Facebook selects automatic placement, your ad will be displayed everywhere. So what you can do is you can click on edit placement and scroll down, and you can uncheck everything, and you can select your audience network. So look at that. Now your audience network is selected, and you need to select at least Facebook feed in order to select audience network. So that's one of the requirements. You cannot just only select audience network. So that's why Facebook throwed an error saying that you need to select the Facebook feed placement. So I've selected Facebook feed, but then apart from that, you can select audience network, and look at this. This is an example of how a rewarded video or a native banner and interstitial ad will look like. Then you have your in-stream video, and then you have the rewarded video where your ad will be shown in an app for any of the app install objective. So that's it, guys, in terms of selecting audience network placement. And finally, I have a quick tip. If you want to analyze which placement is working best, and if you want to find out the performance of individual Facebook ad placements, click on this view chart, and by default you will be in the performance tab. All you have to do is click on the placement tab, and then this is where you will get to see all the results and the performance of all those placements. So that's it, guys, for the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you next time.